Remove the shell and devein the shrimp. Place the shrimp on a cutting board. Make some vertical incisions along the inside of the curve. This is to straighten the shrimp. After you've made the incisions, use your fingertips to squeeze the shrimp on the sides while pressing down. Be careful not to squeeze too hard or it may split in two. Sift the flour to remove any clumps. In a separate bowl, gently beat 1 egg. Add the egg to the flour and then pour some of the water in. Add a few ice cubes and lightly combine the mixture, being careful not to overmix the batter. Add the rest of the water. The batter is now ready for immediate use. Add enough oil to deep fry the shrimp in a wok, pot, or deep fryer. Heat the oil to medium-high heat, or about 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Dip the shrimp into the batter. Slowly add the battered shrimp to the hot oil. Deep fry for about 2 minutes or until they are golden brown. Don't overcook the shrimp or it will get a rough texture. Fry them in small batches so you don't overcrowd the fryer. As you remove the cooked shrimp from the hot oil, place them on a wired rack or paper towels to drain excess oil. Serve immediately after cooking. You can use the same method to cook other tempura seafood or vegetables.